Hello everyone. Welcome back to another home tour. Today we are once again in Katy, Texas, and we are about to tour this beautiful single-story model home by PerryHomes. This floor plan starts in the 370,000 and it is built in a 45-foot lot. Please keep in mind that prices tend to change without notice. Each builder does have a price increase, whether it's monthly or every 2 to 3 weeks. So just keep that in mind in case you go check out this home on the website or in person a few days from today's video. Of course, there's probably most likely going to be a price increase. Now, if you take a look as we enter the home over to the left, once we turn back around, there is an opening that is just a temporary office. So permanently, once you build this home or purchase this home, there will be a wall, which is on the other side will be the 2-car garage. So just to let you guys know, not that I skipped a room, just wanted to make that clear, because once we turn back around the other way, you are going to see that opening. That's just a temporary sales office. Now let's go see what this the rest of this home is all about. I hope you guys enjoy the tour. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed watching, and consider subscribing to my channel for more new upcoming videos. Also, before you leave, if you want more information on the builder or this home, please go check out the description box. I'll have everything on there for you guys. Thanks again for being here today, and I'll see you guys on the next one.